Guys, today I'll be checking out the new I Am Monkey update. But last video I was checking the I Am Bird update.
How did they get there?
If you want to watch that video, just look right under this video and you'll find it. Oops, I accidentally punched the TV. Don't tell my mum. But anyways, also if you didn't hear me, I said don't tell my mum. Hey, don't worry, she don't tell she don't watch my YouTube channel anyways, because we've got the same exact account. Anyway, does anyone know what it means if you've here, have it, brave monkey. Here, have it. Have it! Yeah.
Ouch.
Give it. Give it. Have it. Have it. So anyways, so wait, one exact funny thing he said. That is it for now. Be sure to come back in a later update. I'll give you the key to let your little friend out. New update. Guys, it's still here. Oh, you haven't given us the key! Ow. Ow. One respect.
This'll teach you to quit your monkey business.
Respect. Let's all. Respect. You need respect. Ah. Monkey pranking.
Think quick, tail twirler.
Spare time, suckers.
Also, I just made a new profile picture.
Protect and serve? More like pummel and they
Yeah, more like
clearly need
protect and
help.
civil.
That all you got in the tank?
The monkey.
This is actually.
He dropped like an unexpected cameo.
Hope you like
Take that.
I witnessed the monkey deliver a perfect knockout blow.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called. Ah!
They just collapsed.
Cup.
Somebody call help. Oh, that is cute and a little scary.
Not this one, guy. Not this one. Oh, yeah, I hate him.
Who put the intern in the
Hold
enclosure?
Equal rights, equal
It's a
left
boring
hook.
wall.
Crime scene
A
starts at your
banana.
face.
Oopsies.
Can I get in?
Brave
And I'm
monkey was
out.
gonna like that,
Learned
but.
enough today.
Hope you like
Oh, watermelon.
Digging
Broccoli,
section.
stop! Oh, banana.
Give it a try.
Finally, a food for baby monkey.
Bet you wish you had
Have it,
sneakers,
buddy.
Fuzzball.
Have it.
I am the alpha.
Yeah, how is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No.
Oopsies. Oopsies, oopsies.
What do we have here?
Monkey has been given a book. Monkey can aim.
I revoke the
Oopsies.
Duck deep dive too slow.
Are they a part of the exhibit?
But monkey can
That all you got in the
aim.
tank?
Took out.
That's going to trend on knockout.
Take out.
That's not a toy. That's a tourist.
You'll come with me. You're being kidnapped. In you go.
Take this. What a dumb animal.
Almost reached me.
This is
Try
supposed to
harder.
be exploring the new update, not just.
Give me the shiny fuzzball. Ouch! Law just
Nothing
walked in.
really
Luck just
new
walked in.
around. Not even a new
Somerset,
weapon.
why is this happening to me?
But for some reason, the toilet looks a
Tell us
little.
the
like...
one in the cage.
Oh, wait a minute. What is that?
Leg day pays off. Look at Hertz.
Hey, bro, I'll trade you this.
Swap your
Right, yeah,
headbutt for
yeah.
that.
Okay, thanks. Here you go.
Out of reach and loving it. Drop it, good monkey.
Rear view.
Oh, that tastes right.
Did it
Then
mean
the
to
change has more power!
Oh,
Ooh,
he's down.
It's
Strategy. Scream and sprint.
how did a day at the zoo
that's
end up
it.
like? That knock, please help me.
Okay. To go.
Wow, that and I'm out. Learn. Okay. Next time you fired, keep.
Back off, furball.
Justin, swing!
They clearly need help.
Come at me.
Jeez.
Outside the enclosure sign. Irish, should we call animal control or police?
Just out of reach.
Want
Let me hold
this?
that a sec.
Goodbye, bananas. Hello, cholesterol.
No,
Get out and face me!
oops.
Give me the shot. Stop. Keep it up and I'll return. Oh,
Keep flapping.
No,
Maybe Evolve comes next.
yeah, baby. Have this burger. Oh, sorry, baby.
Time to relocate you to solitary.
Should we call animal control?
Yeah,
That is
you're
cool.
going to solitary confinement.
Help them.
Monkey edition. Get in there. Come and get in, but before. Then, no.
Swing again.
High subjects
My
allowed
down
in.
fur bag. Here comes the hurt. Someone's a
Monkey meet justice. Justice meet my boot.
who taught it pickpocket tricks.
Cut the chatter.
Okay. Yep,
Everybody get
and
down.
feel free.
Weapons hot. Light 'em up.
Now, this is the end of the
Unload. Empty your mag.
video.